I want to sit down with you guys and talk about some of my absolute top favorite Amazon products. Shout out to all the essential workers and Amazon workers who are making sure that I get my packages. Like, I appreciate you so much because I have a problem, but I digress. So these are some of my absolute favorite products that I reorder time and time again, and I hope that you guys like them too. I will link everything down below, and let's get started. I'm actually going to start with a product that I've already talked about on my channel, and that is the Be Sunny Halo Hair Extensions. I actually really do love these. I haven't worn them in a while only because like quarantine and like I had cut my hair short, so it was a little bit too blunt to wear extensions, but it's finally getting to the length that'll blend better again. But these really are just like impeccable for the price. I believe I paid around $50 and some change. I know prices tend to fluctuate on Amazon, so they might be something different. I think it depends on which hair color you're buying. So I will be sure to link that down below and you can go check out. But these are 16 inches. I've had them for well over a year at this point, probably closer to like 2 years. No, because I made that video like a year ago in February. My 1 year anniversary of YouTube just passed. Nice. Anyway, the quality has stayed amazing. I don't have any issues with like tangling when I wear them, and I just love the ease of being able to just pop these in and out of my hair and be on my way. Like, this is it. These are so good. Moving on. So this is another product that I actually have featured in another video, which is toning my hair extensions, and it is the Fudge Queen Blonde Purple Shampoo. This stuff is magical. This is the holy grail. This is it. Like, while we're on the topic of hair products, I might as well stay on theme and get all the hair products out of the way. So coming up next is one of my favorite leave-in creams, which is the Crack Habit Forming Hair Fix. This stuff I have been using maybe since junior year of high school. I'm 25, like I was 17. That's a long time. 9 years, 9. Did math there. This stuff is amazing. I would definitely recommend this, especially to any blondes that are out there. If you have any damage in your hair, heat damage, color damage, anything of that nature, this is really, really good. Up next is the Revlon One Step Volumizer and Styler, I think it's called. This is my baby. This thing is amazing. I love this thing. If I could only use one heat tool for the rest of my life, this would probably be it. Every good review that you've ever seen on this thing, it's true. Buy it. Just go buy it. Honestly, just do it. If it's sitting in your cart and you've been waiting for a sign, buy now. Did you buy it yet? Okay, good. Up next are these biotin gummies that apparently I cannot hold to save my life, but these taste really good. I'm awful at taking vitamins. Like, I'm not consistent at anything of that nature. It is actually really difficult for me. I don't know why, but it's the truth. So it's definitely been easier to be consistent with stuff like that during quarantine, because what else do I have to do than take my vitamins? But it definitely helps that these taste really good. You take 2 a day, and I feel like I've honestly seen a difference in my hair. I feel like it's been growing in really thick and definitely getting some length. And I almost always get cystic acne around like my jawline when I take biotin, and I haven't had any type of negative experience with these so far. Normally I would have been breaking out within the first week. I will keep you guys posted on that, and we can take a look at my hair right now and see what the length is, and I guess I will do an update on that in maybe, I don't know, a month or 2, and we'll see how it goes. For the last of the hair products, these scrunchies are so cute. I got these from Amazon in a much bigger pack, and my mom and my sister definitely stole some, so I was sure to get my favorite colors. I'm big on anything cheetah print, so I had to have them. They were super cheap, and they're very silky, so it's definitely like less damaging for your hair. I would definitely recommend them. They're adorable, like so cute. Up next is something a little bit more on the tech side. This is amazing. This is a tile and I love it. I love it dearly. This little gadget helps you track almost everything. They also have like a credit card type one that's very slim and it'll fit in like your purse, your wallet. I gave Nick one of the credit card ones for Christmas only because that dude loses his wallet every 5 seconds of every single day. And it's taken years off of my life at this point. So that was definitely like a gift to myself to give that to him. So cool! So you can ring your phone, and then also there's an app on your phone that you can just press like find purse. That's how I have mine set up for my purse. But if you click that, it's basically like find my iPhone for like everything in your life. Another tech related item are these blue light glasses, which I love. One, they're so cute. Like I always just like, yes, I wish I had glasses, but also I like being able to see. I work on social media, so I'm staring at a screen a majority of the day, especially like working from home. And then even when I'm done with my day, like I'm looking at my phone, I'm looking at my laptop, I'm editing a video, like I am always staring at screens. So it's definitely been an issue like with giving me migraines and everything, but I have definitely seen a big difference in whether I'm getting migraines or not when I'm wearing these glasses. Definitely recommend them if you're someone like me that spends a lot of time looking at screens. Okay, so let's move into some fun skincare items. I actually recently ordered this and I'm so excited, like I love it. It is the Captain Green Anti-Aging Facial Skin Scrubber Device. And it looks like this. It's like a little spatula. Is disgusting in the best way possible. It uses like a high frequency to get everything out, like all the gunk is just forced out of your face. And I can definitely do a more in-depth video about this, showing if you are equally as disgusting as me, because it's a lot, like it's aggressive. So this next item, I don't have the box for it, and it is another, you know, if you're disgusting like me and you like to mess with your skin, it is another holy grail find. This I reorder time and time and time and time again. Like if you look at my Amazon history, I've probably ordered this minimum 50 times, no joke. It is the NextCare Acne Pimple Patches. They're these little dots. These little things are so amazing. Literally, you put it on a pimple overnight and it will suck it out of your skin. You will wake up, pimple's gone. I cannot preach about these enough. Just go buy them now. Link is, I might as well just put that as the first link, because if you don't buy these, like. Another skincare item that I really like are these little eye mask patches. These have collagen in them. These are perfect for the morning, honestly. Like when I wake up, again, I'm working from home right now, so I can look as crazy as I want while I'm working. But when I wake up, I have like puffy eyes, and it makes my eyes feel like more tired than they are, if that makes sense. So I usually will just pop these on under my eyes while I'm getting started with my day. And literally within like 10 minutes, I feel like my eyes are awake.
Another item that I really love are these fairy lights from Amazon that come with a remote, which is super convenient when it comes to changing the different modes or just being able to turn them off without climbing behind the couch. Can't forget this cute clear shelf where I store my favorite perfumes.
So these last two are actually recommendations from Hanny Bakes here on YouTube. She's probably like my favorite YouTuber right now. She's so cute and she just seems like very like sweet. Like, I don't know, I love her. Okay, so these actually came yesterday and immediately like I'm in love with these. These are the Blend My Face sponges. These are like microfiber sponges. These made my foundation go on flawless. Like literally airbrush. Like I cannot stress enough that I'm obsessed with these. Also, they pick up powder really, really well. I feel like a creep that I'm just caressing this sponge, but it's so soft. Also, it's a woman-owned small company. Let's support small business, like especially during this time. And she is such a sweetheart. Like I am now obsessed with this company. And the last item is this Plus White Whitening Kit. This is also super cheap and is a really, really good alternative to like whitening strips. This is another Hanny Bakes recommendation. Definitely helps whiten your teeth, and it's really, really easy to just, put the gel in and just pop the tray in. It definitely makes a huge difference. And then they also add like a little mouthwash type thing to prevent any further staining and to keep your teeth nice and white. This is definitely a better alternative to like the Crest whitening strips. I have used them too, and they work, but they also hurt so bad. I haven't experienced any type of sensitivity with this, which is really important for me. I have really sensitive teeth. Like, I look at ice cream and my teeth hurt. I almost totally forgot. Also, in this video, I wanted to show you guys these super cute slippers. I don't know if I can like do this and stay in focus, but these super cute slippers, like I love these. They're so cozy and so cute and so comfortable. I wear them literally all the time. I have another pair too that's cheetah print, and I'm obsessed with them. I love these slippers. I would definitely say order true to size and you'll love them. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, anything that you want me to try from Amazon that maybe you haven't ordered yet and you really want to know how it is, but you don't want to take the splurge, like let a girl know. I love getting fresh packages on my doorstep. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.